So hello everyone and welcome to the new TDW show, the new show that comes to you every month from TDW to YouTube by tech data professionals for tech data professionals. So at TDW for a very long time now, we've been working on this idea of a kind of monthly show where we can look at everything from news, reviews, software, and innovation in the technical data market. This show will go live every month to our YouTube channel, and we will cover everything from speaking to experts in the market, as well as looking at all of the updates in specifications and standards, as well as what's available in terms of software, tools, and innovative ways of what we can do with technical information. And I'll also bring you out on the road with me. I'm fortunate enough to travel a lot around the world and meet lots of tech data professionals wherever I go. But I also like to try and take in some of the culture of the local cities or the towns or the countries that I go to, like this wonderful Fort Nelson, not too far away from us, where we are based in Chichester in the United Kingdom. And together we'll go on the road and we will attend as many industry events as we possibly can, bringing you all of the latest developments and updates from the wider community, like standards and specifications, as well as any innovation-based events that I can get to. So what can you expect in episode 1 of the Tech Data World Show? Well, we kick off the first ever episode of the YouTube show with an interview with Berry Braster from Etteplan. We talk all things simplified technical English, and we look at how and what Etteplan is doing to solve those problems for their clients worldwide. We're then going to take one of your questions that comes in to us here at TDW, and I'm going to try and answer it within 60 seconds, trying to use some visuals and try and use some good examples around some of the things around specifications, adopting innovation, or looking at some of the wider topics like augmented reality and those kind of things. Do my very best to try and give you my opinion within 60 seconds. I'll also, this first episode, I'm going to have a look at the 4 main editors that I use and why I use them. For that, we're going to be in the office, and I will show you those tools, and I'll show you the tools, how they work for me, and why they are strong, and why some of them are the ones that I prefer one over the other to work with, things like S1000D authoring, or whether we're creating something like a handout for our training material. Finally, we have a special feature where I am here in Portsmouth for a very specific reason, and I spent a day here in Portsmouth. There was something that was happening here that got me down here 20 minutes from where I live, and I took a harbour tour and we went round and had a look at some of the boats that were in harbour. So please do like, subscribe, share to be notified when episode 1 is available. If you would like to get involved, be interviewed, or submit a question, please do just put a comment below, or you can contact us directly. I hope that you find this format useful and interesting, and I hope that it's something that you will enjoy.